In this video, I'm going to break down one of the most important attributes that you need as a software developer. A little while ago, someone commented on my video, "Work for free? I'd rather be in the bottom 99%. Inferring that he didn't want to work for free to then put him in the top 1% of software developers. Now, free can mean a lot of different things, but people get hung up on the exchange of services or skill for cash or money. It is a totally reasonable thing to expect. The important thing early on in your career isn't looking at how much money you can make for the output you provide. The important thing to note is paying with your time to increase your skills, essentially paying down a knowledge debt as fast as you can. And the faster you accrue those skills and the faster you pay down that debt, the more money you'll be able to make. My name is Scott. I didn't study computer science. I actually studied business, and I wanted to be a senior software engineer in some of the biggest companies in Silicon Valley. So I busted my ass and I did exactly that. I begged people to work for them for free. I contributed to open source projects for free. I paid with my time. I took people to coffee and dinner, going broke. But it led to a more successful career faster than I could have imagined. I know there's people thinking right now that they're a special snowflake and that they should be paid $200,000 a year to do something that they haven't even been doing for 1 year. Knowing your value is not wrong, and those people are right, with a caveat. You cannot charge money to do something you suck at. Only way you can charge insane rates is for the value that you provide. I'm going to break down the 4 options that you can take advantage of for you to pay down that debt of experience, increase the value that you can provide, short and long term, so that you're set up for success. Number 1, wherever you work, there's probably a technical department, an IT department, or an engineering department. Find someone in that department and ask them if you can do some work for them. It's going to be hard. It's going to be a struggle. You might need to buy them lunch once in a while, but this is such an easy way that people don't take advantage of. And it's something I've offered people that have worked at companies I've been at who want to become more technical. Hey, you can help me with some stuff. I'll tell you the skills you need to build. Let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. Number 2, you can go off and learn web development or whatever you want, or Python, and do a pet project. I really hate pet projects, but I think they're really good if you can solve a specific issue for yourself. I met someone recently who subscribed to the channel who built their own pet project that people actually use. I think that's a great experience, and you learn a ton along the way. It's important, though, that you find a mentor to code review and keep you on the path so that you're not making costly mistakes and that you're growing at a fast enough rate to justify the time spent on the pet project. And it's okay if you have to pay these people as mentors in exchange for coffee or dinner or lunch to help you out, or even in an hourly rate to get you further on your path. Number 3, contribute to open source. I talk about this in every single video. I'm going to link some stuff down below on how to find your first issue and how to find your first project to get started in open source. But they're the best engineers in the world who are willing to give you mentorship in exchange for your time contributing back to the project. Number 4, pay for someone's time. If I want access to someone who has knowledge or expertise or access to something that I want, I have no issue paying that person what they value as their hourly rate to get access to that, because that'll accelerate my learning and access to the thing I want faster than anything else. Thank you so much for watching. Check out the video where I walk through how to become a top 1% software engineer and beat out the 99% by doing a couple simple things consistently over a long period of time.